Good PM. Today is October 5, 2023, Thursday, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result. Here are the SL Swear 3 Visayas 3 p.m. result for October 5, 2023, Thursday. Here are the today's 10:30 a.m. SL Visayas draw result recap for Thursday, October 5, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of Thursday, October 5, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.